AI technology and its continuous advance is here to stay. How are you keeping up? I'm Annie Hood. Hello and welcome to Well Intel Daily. This is the podcast that joins the dots on wellbeing perspective and everyday relevance. Something that is becoming increasingly obvious is the divide between those making themselves aware of and educated in AI and those who are not. That's on a personal level as well as a business and professional one. Large corporations have the budgets, the teams, and the in-house expertise to keep on top of the progress, but that doesn't mean that no one else can. It doesn't mean that unless you're in a corporate business or corporate company or in the technology department that you don't need to pay attention. It's certainly clear too that AI technology, for good reasons and exploitative ones, is set to become an ever more significant weave throughout personal and business life, but it is still being dismissed by some as a foreign and not worthy of paying attention to concept. And that's creating another level of polarity and inequality. Even those, and I include myself here, who are taking active steps to learn about the scope of AI opportunity and put that knowledge into action, are struggling to keep up with the breakneck speed of progress. I know I am. And there's a great parallel here with health and well-being. You don't have to be a well-being expert for health and well-being to matter to you. And AI is similar, if not the same. Remember my line from several years ago now: the future of well-being will be driven by tech, but defined by humanity. As a business leader, business owner, and citizen, make sure you're part of that definition. And a couple of people to follow and listen to. Heather Murray on LinkedIn. She's absolutely brilliant and demystifies the language around AI technology and what's happening in that space. And Danny in the Valley. That's a podcast by the tech correspondent for the Sunday Times. Both of those people help with getting more comfortable with the AI spectrum and the capability of AI. Knowing more about it and getting under the lid of it will be a valuable move for you and your business. Tomorrow, a bit of insight on putting August to good use. What's your word of intention for the coming month? And as ever, for your own conversation, tailored advisory, or maybe simply a brainstorm, contact me directly at wellintellect.com or DM me. Do share, follow and review, and of course, be well.